This is Stephen Bridges with Construction Laser. Just wanted to show you how in 6.0, iCON 6.0, we can stake out any line or object and still reference the project Centerline file. So right now I've just went into Stakeout and I've just selected this TOA slope line. Right now it's giving me the stationing of the TOA slope, which isn't useful to me. So what I'm going to do is do Toolbox, Reference. I'm going to select the center line. It's showing me the stationing on it. Hit check. So now I'm still staking out that toe of slope, but it's giving me the center line stationing information, the offset to the slope that I'm staking out. So you can see as I get closer to it, my horizontal offset to that slope line is there. And then it's also giving me my offset to the horizontal offset directly to Centerline, and the cut and fill still based off the slope line I picked. And that's really all there is to it. I can select any other line on here. And same thing, I'm still getting the same stationing information, same offset information. Just show you it's true. Click back on the center line and there we are. I got everything we need to do some station offset staking.